La siguiente información es importante para tu visita. De acuerdo a las recomendaciones de los
My glasses are fogging up.
los visitantes e integrantes de nuestra
Please watch your
Cloudy.
It's a cloudy, rainy, sunny day here.
It is not sunny.
We are at Universal Studios today.
I have a rumor that Toothsome dining room is open, so we're gonna go see if that's true.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get some food. And I bet you $10 we're gonna get a burger.
I'm not betting.
Yeah, hey, Starbucks is open. Oh, there.
Yeah.
It's super empty.
Oh, you know that.
Dang.
We gotta stop by there.
Yes.
I don't care, from now on, anytime we see a Starbucks, we are going to stop by.
I really do wonder what's going in here. They got this all tore up. Cowfish is still closed. It is too cold today to walk through there.
Still walking back there too. Big fires are open yet either.
Oh, big fire. And the Hitos. They have their fire pit open though. Might be a cool place to go and chill out for a little bit. I'm just glad the rain has stopped long enough so we can walk over here.
Yeah.
It's on. Entrance music is on. Gotta wait in this box. Ooh, we're going upstairs. Never sat up here before.
They will dance.
Yes.
It's like your hat works for the circus. What does your t-shirt say? Tonton Bori.
Osaka City.
Osaka City.
Is that where you're from?
No.
No, have you visited?
No, but I want to.
Yes.
I can't wait.
Bye.
Show your piercings.
Soon. What do we got? 10 days?
Yeah. What's it called? Lou's Lodge.
Cause it's a loo. It's called Lou's Lodge because it's the loo. They got stickers over there for the guest information and first aid. So we just got done at Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. They have a very limited menu, super, super limited. A little surprising because usually when you sit down, they give you a book. A whole book.
You're not gonna get that one on this one. At
No.
least not right now.
They gave us 2 pieces of paper. One was appetizers and entrees, salads, sandwiches, and the like. And then the other one was drinks.
Yeah, because well, with the drinks, they'll have the brunch on the other side of that menu too, and that's all that's going to be available.
That's it.
Yeah.
Those 2 pieces of paper. Now they do have the milkshakes, just like they do down in the sweet shop, but they don't have their full dessert menu, just the milkshakes. We both got the peach smash.
Yeah, the peach smash.
It was very strong.
But good.
It was so good. It tastes like peach Kool-Aid.
Appetizer, what would you rate that as?
So the appetizer we got was warm chocolate almond bread
Yeah.
with a salted caramel butter. I think that's what it was.
Yeah.
That was good. I'm gonna give that a 7 out of 10 just because the ends are so crunchy. They're not very edible, and the underneath was a little burnt. So I don't know if that's how it normally comes, and we just got a bad one, but it was good. I liked it. It came out hot and fresh, so
Okay.
just maybe a little too fresh, like they left it in too long.
All right.
So he got the BLT chicken sandwich. It was huge.
It was very, very big sandwich. But I finished. Yeah, I finished it. I'm gonna say I finished it. It was only like maybe 80. I finished 80% of the sandwich. 90% of the sandwich. And that 90% all the way.
I can't say that. I finished maybe 50%. I got the barbecue, I think it was a barbecue chicken salad, barbecue something salad.
So 1 out of 10 on your food.
My salad was so good. It was an 8 out of 10 because I wish I had more green in it. It's romaine, so it's a very crunchy salad, and I just wish there was more like baby greens in there maybe. But also in the salad, I thought it was a little baby tomato, and I was like, look at this cute little tomato. Oh my gosh. It was not a tomato, guys. It was a pepper.
Anyway, but I'm glad you like it though. 'Cause
The peppers were good, but be careful. They're not tomatoes, they're peppers.
okay.
What about your chicken sandwich?
All right. The BLT. I'm going to give that a 10. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's really good, but it's big. I would definitely get that again.
You give the whole restaurant experience as a whole.
8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Not gonna really say too much on that one.
Inexperienced wait staff.
Okay, she was okay. She was okay.
It was just a really slow process. So maybe she's new. I know when you're new, they give you so many steps to take as a server, and she took all the steps. So, I mean, she did her job, but it took a long time.
Food runner, I mean, I felt like it wasn't a whole, you know, is there anything else I can get you? It was more like, here's your food, and it just walks away.
She ran away. She just ran away. Maybe I'm just cranky today.
We're gonna get that Starbucks. We're getting that Starbucks. There.
Yeah, that's voodoo. That's antijitos. Anjitos? Antijitos?
Antihiro? Or
Anjitos? Anjitos?
Antahiro? Antahiro?
Yeah, that place. So Margaritas and Company.
Oh, okay.
That's a walk-up bar. So you grab your margarita and then you have a seat. He's chasing the duck.
15 phone calls stacked up in a row. Hello, welcome. I like your shirt. It's a Jody one.
This. See the enter sign? Is it enter this way? Right here. And you stand on your dot and you wait. Oh, okay, now we're both on it. When you come out the line, you come over here to where the condiment bar used to be. And then you wait for your coffee right here.
Who knew that voodoo still do?
You do the voodoo. Voodoo.
That still do the do. Get back, move back, step back. Y'all better not touch me. Ooh.
I got it. I got it. I got it.